In this video, we will learn how to remove white spaces from a string. I will use strings method replace all to remove white spaces, including non-visible ones such as tab sign, new line character, carriage return, and all the white spaces. First, I will have a string which will have white spaces. This is a string, and then I'm just going to save the new string in my new s, and by calling strings method replace all, it will replace all the white space characters in this string with an empty one. So I'm going to use a backslash s as a regular expression to remove white spaces and replace it with empty string. And then I'm going to print this new string so we can see the spaces are removed. New, yes, our new string is, I'm just gonna add some text with it. New string is, and now need to save the program and run it. You can see all the spaces are removed from this string. So this way you can remove white spaces character from a string in Java. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.